Welcome back to my class, students. Students, in the previous audio clip, I told you about the author's description, a brief description of the author of this chapter, A Triumph of Surgery. The name of the author of this chapter is James Herriot, and I told you about a brief description of the author, and I told you about a brief introduction of the chapter as well. So we will start the chapter details explanation now. Before we start the chapter's detail explanation, we'll read this. Tricky, a small dog. So name of the dog, who is one of the most important character we can say in this chapter. His name is Tricky. Is pampered. Pampered means when you are taken care too well. जब आपका बहुत ही ज़्यादा ध्यान रखा जाता है लाड़ प्यार से. And overfed. And when you are feeding, someone or here the dog, he has been fed more than what he needed. एंड उसको बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा खाना खिलाया गया, बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा ध्यान रखा गया है. बाय whom? बाय हिज रिच मिस्ट्रेस. मिस्ट्रेस हियर मीन्स अ वुमेन इन अ पोजीशन ऑफ अथॉरिटी और कंट्रोल. उसकी मालकिन जो बहुत अमीर है, उसके द्वारा उसे बहुत ही ज़्यादा लाड़ प्यार से रखा जाता है डॉग को, और उसका बहुत ही ज़्यादा खाना खिलाया जाता है उसे. ही फॉल सीरियसली इल एंड हिज मिस्ट्रेस कंसल्ट्स अ वेट and his mistress consults a veterinary doctor. He or surgeon we can say. Because of pamperedness and because of overfeeding, the dog falls seriously ill. बहुत ज़्यादा गंभीर रूप से बीमार हो जाता है, और उस वजह से उसकी जो अमीर मालकिन है, रिच मिस्ट्रेस, she consults with a veterinary surgeon. So the question arises here now, does he perform an operation? Does the surgeon perform an operation? क्या उसकी सर्जरी होती है डॉग की? Does the dog recover? और उसको ठीक हो जाता है या नहीं होता है? We will find out. So read and find out. 3 questions are given in the starting, students. First question is, why is Mrs. Pumphrey, the pronunciation is Pumphrey, worried about Tricky? Because he falls sick, as in the starting is given. And second question is, what does she do to help him? Is she wise in this? We'll find out. Who does I refer to in this story, and who does I refer? So students, I is the author here, James Herriot. So I refers to the author of the chapter. So we'll start the chapter now. I was really worried about Tricky this time. As I have told you that I refers to the author. So author is really worried about the dog this time. और dog के बारे में बहुत चिंतित है इस वक्त, इस समय वो. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress. I pulled up my car means, pulled up here means to stop his car. So उसने अपनी कार रोकी, और जब उसने Tricky को, the dog, when he saw the dog with his rich mistress, he stopped the car. And I was shocked, और वो शॉक था, at his appearance, उसको देखकर, जिस तरह से वो Tricky दिख रहा था, उसको देखकर वो शॉक रह गया, उसे शॉक हुआ. He had become hugely fat. Hugely here means excessive. You become fat and you become hugely fat means you बहुत ही ज़्यादा मोटा हो चुका था वो. He had become बहुत ही ज़्यादा मोटा हो चुका था. Like a bloated sausage. Here bloated means swollen, फूला हुआ. Sausage means unbaked meat, कच्चा कबाब, कच्चा मांस जिसको हम बोलते हैं. And with a leg at each corner, हर जगह से बहुत ही फूला हुआ, बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्सेसिव मोटा हो चुका था हर जगह से, और कच्चा पका हुआ मांस, फूला हुआ मांस लग रहा था, और जिसकी हर तरफ से एक टांग लटक रही थी. इन ईच कॉर्नर. हिज आइज bloodshot and rheumy. Bloodshot and rheumy here means a body disease. गठिया जिसको हम बोलते हैं, गठिया हो जाता है उसकी. his eyes bloodshot, खून से भरी आँखें लग रही थी. and rheumy जैसे गठिया हो गया, इतनी मोटी मोटी आँखें. stared straight ahead and his tongue lolled from his jaws. जो उसकी आंखें थी वो बिल्कुल ऐसे लग रही थी ऐसे गठिया ग्रस्त हों बीमारी से, स्ट्रेट सीधा ही देख पा रही थी और मोड़ भी नहीं पा रही थी। एंड हिज टंग, और जो उसकी जीभ थी, लोल्ड फ्रॉम हिज जॉस, उसकी जीभ जो थी वो हैंग्ड आउट द टंग, वो उसकी बाहर लपक रही थी, बाहर लटक रही थी। मिसिज पम्फ्री hastened to explain. He was so listless. Listless here means careless, and hasten means हिचकिचाना। मिसिस पम्फ्री ने हिचकिचाते हुए कहा कि वो बहुत ही केयरलेस था। He was so careless. Listless means careless. Mr. Harriet, he seemed to have no energy. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. Malnutrition means lack of proper diet. When you are not getting proper diet, so now she is giving excuse that he was so listless, बहुत careless था, and he seemed to have no energy. उसमें कोई energy नहीं थी. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. So मुझे लगा कि उसे कुपोषण का शिकार हो गया, खाना नहीं मिल रहा है, प्रॉपर डाइट नहीं मिल रही है. This is what the dog's mistress said. जो मालकिन ने कहा मिस्टर हैरियट को. So फिर उसने क्या किया? So I have been giving him some little extra between meals to build him up. So she's saying here कि first she thought that he was so careless, he is not well, so because of malnutrition, proper diet नहीं मिल रही है, that's why besides giving meals, she was giving the dog extra things to eat. I have been giving him some little extras between meals to build him up. उसको मजबूत करने के लिए मैं उसे खाने के अलावा भी बीच बीच में चीज़ें दे रही थी. Some malt and cod liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. Nothing much really. So she is saying that मैं उसको बीच में खाने के अलावा to build him up, I was giving him some malt. Malt here means जो, barely जो, and cod liver oil. Cod liver oil here means fish oil. मैं उसके अलावा जोक ऑयल और फिश ऑयल दे रही थी. एंड बाउल ऑफ हॉर्लिक्स, हॉर्लिक्स भरकर, कटोरा भरकर हॉर्लिक्स रात में दे रही थी. टू मेक हिम स्लीप, ताकि वो आराम से सो सके. नथिंग मच रियली, इसके अलावा कुछ खास नहीं दे रही थी. तो दिस वॉज मोर देन इनफ. शी वॉज गिविंग हिम food 3 times, then after giving him food, besides the food she was giving him so many things like malt and cod liver oil, bowl of Horlicks, and so many things, just because she thought that he has become a victim of malnutrition. Now, and did you cut down on the sweet things as I told you? Then the Mr. Harriet asked from the lady that did you cut down on the sweet things? क्या आपने मीठा कम किया जो मैंने आपको कहा था? Oh, I did for a bit. Then she said, yes, I did for a bit. मैंने थोड़े टाइम के लिए किया था. But he seemed to be so weak, I had to relent. But he was looking so weak, so I was feeling I was regretting it. Relent here means to regret, to feel sorry, पछताना. तो she said to Mr. Harriet, then I stopped the sweets as he told her, but after some time he was looking so weak, so I was feeling sorry for the dog, so I started giving him again. He does love cream cakes and chocolates, so I can't bear to refuse him. And as the dog also loves cream cakes and chocolates, so she said that I can't refuse him. मैं उसे मना नहीं कर सकती थी, so I started giving him the sweets again. I looked down again at the little dog. So that was the trouble. Tricky's only fault was greed. He had never been known to refuse food. Then when when the dog's mistress told that she was not able to resist by giving the dog the sweets, then he looked at the dog again, and that was the problem. और समस्या वहीं पर थी. Tricky was a dog who was very greedy about food. He had never been known to refuse food. Whenever you will give him food, how many times you will give him food, he will never say no, or he will always eat the food. He would tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night. you give him food after every 2 hours or any hour of the day or a night, 12 2 a.m. at night, he would never refuse. He would tackle that and he would eat that. And I wondered about all things Mrs. Pumphrey hadn't mentioned. Are you giving him plenty of exercise? Then he asked from Mrs. Pumphrey that are you giving him the exercises which I told you, आप उससे जो कसरत करवा रही हैं, एक्सरसाइज करवा रही हैं, खेल कूद कर रही हैं या नहीं. Then Mrs. Pumphrey said, well, he has his little walks with me as you can see, but Hodgkin, the gardener, has been down with lumbago. Lumbago here means backache. So there has been no ring throwing lately. When he asked about the physical activities of the dog or exercise of the dog, then she replied, then he used to go with her for the evening walks or little walks, rarely or very sometimes only. And because his gardener, he was suffering from backache, so the dog is not getting the physical exercise. Students, we will do up to here today only, and rest of the chapter I will explain to you tomorrow. We will continue tomorrow. Thank you.